'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me gaze yesterday. 'Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time, so will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that.
So our first time at Bucees. How was it?
It was pretty cool. It's super freaking huge. It's like going to like Target or like Walmart. It was like ginormous.
It was crazy. I got an icy and we got banana pudding.
Yeah.
They have banana pudding at a gas station.
Mini Bucee gummy worms.
Yeah. Today we're going to downtown Atlanta, and on our way we're gonna pass by a little town called Greensboro, and then we're gonna go to a little town called Rutledge. And in Atlanta, we're gonna be checking out the world of Coca-Cola, trying like a million different flavors of Coke. Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to Ponce City Market, which we heard is awesome. It's just a market with tons of awesome things to buy and shop around for and food to eat. So we're gonna check it out and have some fun today. Oliventure time.
Oliventure time.
It's an Oliventure, Oliventure. Baby, you know what I'm most happy about?
What?
Is that it feels like fall here.
Oh my
Yay!
God. Look, the falls.
Oh
After you said that.
Funny.
Just like that. Like me like that.
So we are in Rutledge, Georgia, in a little cafe called the Yesterday Cafe. It's actually a restaurant here in a super cute little town about an hour away from Atlanta. This is one of two locations. The first location, and the one that I'm the most familiar with, is in Greensboro, Georgia, which is just near Lake Oconee, about 30 minutes from here. And the original location of this Yesterday Cafe is so famous for making buttermilk pie. And they make the best buttermilk pie like ever. And so we're gonna try some here today. But the original location, when they made their buttermilk pies, they are so famous that even Carrie Underwood ordered them for her wedding when she got married. Look at this, beautiful.
Dig in.
What can I send you off?
What's up, everybody? We're here in Atlanta, Georgia. Right behind me, we're about to go into the World of Coke. Try out a bunch of different sodas, I guess things from all over the world. Behind Caroline is actually the Georgia Aquarium. Actually been there. If you've seen our vlog, our dive video, that's where we dove with the whale sharks and manta rays and all that. Really, really cool. Been there a few times, super awesome. But today is all about the World of Coke. So come with us and try a little bit of the bubbly.
Just like that, like me like that, just like that, like me like that, oh, baby like that, just like that, just like that, like me like that, like me like that, just like that. Slow it down, oh, 'cause I know I am nobody too.
Welcome to our vault of the secret formula. This is where we keep the only handwritten copy of the formula.
Really in there? No way. It's like serious?
Serious.
What?
19 months of construction for our vault, as well as the rest of the exhibit. Price tag for the whole project was about $10 million.
No way. Babe, the formula
If it wasn't in here, we would make this a whole lot of fun. I probably wouldn't even realize you were here right now.
I think they're pulling my leg. They're pulling my leg.
It's ours.
Seeking your attention, but someone instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me. Gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me. Gaze yesterday. 'Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time. So will you let me like that, just like that, like me like that, just like that, like me like that, oh, baby like that, just like that, just like that, like me like that, like me like that, just like that. Slow it down, oh, 'cause I know I am nobody to you, it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Will you like me like that? Just like that.
Alright, so we're about to go test some Coke.
Just like that, just like that, just like that, like me like that.
Don't try that one. That one's the worst one.
I know, but I forgot how bad it is. I think I
It's the
remember.
worst one.
It's not as bad as I remember it. I think thumbs up is worse. Okay, yeah, it's bad. You want ginger beer?
Oh yeah, give me a ginger beer. Ooh, I like that one. I like
It is
that
good.
one.
Delaware punch.
Try that.
Oh, Delaware punch. No. Tastes like watered down grape juice. I'm gonna try it. Cheers.
It tastes like barbecue sauce.
Oh, it smells like barbecue sauce. Oh my god, I need to wash that out of my mouth. That's worse than Beverly. I drink Beverly over that. Oh, Panama didn't even help me out. That's out, and that's my freaking favorite.
Let's go.
Hey, Renee. That's how it's supposed to look. Ponce City
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Oh, thank you.
Oh, I like that.
That is good. Dragon fruit. That's a cool Halloween tea.
When I saw you over there, I wasn't sure. Now I'm feeling something I haven't before. Look at us still dancing now, skin to skin. If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh,
The onward shoe.
So we are at Ponce City Market in downtown Atlanta. There's a lot to see and a lot to eat. So we're gonna check it out. Whoa, look how cute it is. Food hall. This way. Baby, look up how old the building is.
wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me.
So bud. Okay, so this is a tostone Cuban. You say that way better than me. And this is probably better than what it looks like. Tandoori spare ribs. These are
Mashed potatoes in some way, I don't know.
potatoes something. We're gonna try all this stuff. Cheers. Those are so unique. I mean, look at this.
Oh, they're good.
All right, ribbing it up.
different.
It's like mole chicken. That's what I taste. Now we try the Cuban on a tostones. Look at that. That meat was so good.
It's like a mojo sauce on it.
That meat is delicious. We have animal cookie, or frosted animal cookie. Tastes just like a frosted animal cookie.
Does it?
And this is
Brookie. Good?
Tastes just like a brookie.